In this video, we are going to learn how to search and new themes. So for adding that one again, we'll have to come on the backend side of our website. And here you have to go on appearance. Under appearance, just select the theme. Okay, so once you select the theme, right? So here plus option, right? So here it is coming like add new theme. Click on this. Here you can see a lots of theme, right? So according to your need or according to your requirement or according to your comfortability, just you can select those themes. So here you'll be able to see like featured theme, popular, latest or favorite, right? So if you're selecting any theme, simply you click on that and you can, preview that theme also. So here you can see the theme preview as well, right? So just you can see all its appearance as well. And we'll see one more theme. For example, if you want to see the details and preview of this thing, simply click on this. So you'll be able to see the preview of that things, right? So here you can see the rating as well. So if you'll select or add this theme, so your website appearance will look like this one. So once you finalize the theme, simply what you have to do, you have to click on install. So that means this theme is installed now. And if you want to make it activate, simply you can click on activate. Otherwise, you can check in your theme option, right? So come on again here under appearance, just click on themes. So here we can see this theme we have selected like Merlin Maxim, right? So if you want to make it activate, simply we'll be clicking on this activate button and it will be activated. So simply like this one, whatever the theme you will be installing, it will be coming at the dashboard under theme option. So like that way you can search for the theme and you can install theme and you can activate theme. So let's activate this theme. We'll see how the website appearance. So we have activated that theme. Now again we come to the front side of our website and simply we refresh it and we'll be able to see the appearance of our website. So like that way we can see, right? So here if we'll be adding some contents and if we'll be adding images, so it will be looking more attractive. Like that way you can search your theme under theme option. Just here you have to click on plus sign and you can add new theme and you can install for your website.